Okay, so this is three colors appear as two in Photoshop. So I've started here with a new blank document. And to begin, I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, and I'm going to choose a color right about out here. And I'm going to choose this hue, sort of in the blue area, and leave saturation about there. I'm going to leave in saturation and brightness, and I'm going to leave this right here alone. So choose that color, drag this out here, and I get a rectangle of that color. Or almost that color. Let's go in here, make sure that's correct. Yes. Now, for three colors appear as two, the trick to this is going to be to leave the saturation and brightness values completely alone and pick something in a different hue higher up. So I'm going to grab this, make sure this is my new color here. Grab my new rectangle. Okay. Whoops. Create my new rectangle and go ahead and fill it with this color here by going down to appearance. Now with these next to each other, notice this saturation and brightness here have not changed at all. But I can now go down here and get rather close to the same color I just made here. I'm going to start by dragging the square over the two sides so that we can see this color is different. But when I drag it out to the middle here, it becomes less and less distinguishable as a different color from this one, even though, again, it's different.